Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax, right here in Panama City Beach, Florida. I am here with the unsinkable legend, the Boston Whaler 180 Dauntless. This is a fresh taken in trade, and believe me, it won't last long. This boat can do a multitude of things. Go to the island, do some cruising, doing a little bit of fishing. Of course, it is the unsinkable legend. As you can see, it's got plenty of room up in the bow. As you move back here, it's got an adjustable Helm seat. And what's great about this boat aft here is you've got a casting platform, or some people can lay out this sunning at the island, and you can lift this up and you've got a full bench seat to entertain the family and friends. Folks, this boat is at a very accessible price, and I encourage you and urge you to come down and look at this because it will not last long. Again, it's Kenny Brown here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I look forward to seeing you, and remember, it's all about making memories on the water.